Today we will be learning a variation of my current favorite advanced move. Many roped artists call it the dark side dragon pirouette. I learned this move by watching a video posted by Sterling Bishop. My version is slightly different and does not comply with traditional martial arts rules, so I have added that video link into the description in case you want to check that version out. This technique combines two moves that we have learned so far, so please make sure that you are confident in each of them before tackling it. Links to both tutorials are also in the description. Let us begin. The first part of this move involves a dragon wrap. However, the dragon wrap that we will implement is going to be executed on the opposite side of our body. This is what makes it a dark dragon wrap. In other words, during a regular dragon wrap, the rope goes under our lead armpit and over our anchor shoulder. A dark dragon wrap will go under our anchor armpit and over our lead shoulder. Let's practice this step on its own. We start in wheel plane. We direct the rope under our anchor armpit and over our lead shoulder. I like to let out only the necessary amount of rope and catch the rope with my anchor hand, even though this goes against the traditional martial arts way. We will be catching the dart on our anchor side. The lead hand will help with slack management by keeping the rope taut, like this. Okay, once we feel comfortable with this trajectory, we can add in some footwork. The goal is to finish our dark dragon wrap with our lead foot in front of us. That means we can either take a step forward with our lead foot or take a step back with our anchor foot. Let's play around, getting comfortable with our slack management. Okay, during the second step, we are going to step forward with our anchor foot and pivot 90 degrees towards our lead side, landing in wall plane. As we are pivoting, we weave our rope in front of us so that we are now spinning towards our lead side. That was a little wordy. Let's watch that step again. Sweet! During the third step, we execute a standard pivoting neck spin by bringing the rope to the lead side of our neck and pivoting 180 degrees. We will land in wall plane with a dart spinning towards our lead side. Okay, the final step is pretty hectic. We are going to cast our dart out to our anchor side while pivoting 450 degrees towards our anchor side so that the dart unravels and all of our rope is free. When I say 450 degrees, I mean we do a 360 degree turn and then keep turning 90 more degrees so that we land in wheel plane with our body facing our target. It will probably take a while to learn how to pivot fast enough while shooting at the same time. Let us practice. Now that we have practiced all the steps in isolation, we will attempt to combine everything. Patience is key as we are adding 4 complicated steps together at once. We start in wheel plane and execute our dark dragon wrap. We catch the dart with our anchor hand on our anchor side and allow the dart to complete a half a rotation. We then step forward with our anchor foot and pivot into wall plane, bringing the rope dart in front of us. We then execute our neck spin and pivot 180 degrees. Once the neck spin is complete, we continue to rotate another 360 degrees in the same direction while we shoot our dart out towards our anchor side. We finish the move by rotating another 90 degrees so that we end in wheel plane facing our target. Okay, that is a dark side dragon pirouette. There are many variations on this move, and as I said before, this is not the standard martial arts way. The reason I start by catching the rope with my lead hand and don't let all of my slack out is because I prefer the aesthetic of my dart staying close to my body and then suddenly flying away from me at full length. This is my own personal preference, and I do not claim that it is more or less effective than a traditional dark dragon wrap. If you are feeling yourself wanting to execute this move differently, I highly suggest trusting your instincts and tweaking it in whatever way feels most natural. The more variations there are, the better. Love you guys. Hope this helped.